Look what fell off the back of a truck. Mickey, again?
I don't think he detached my retina this time. Linda's gonna shit.
Let me see. Look, I can run out and replace whatever he took before she gets here, all right?
No, you can't. It's gonna take 3 days for the background check.
He took the gun? How?
I pulled it on him. Even released the safety, but what was I supposed to do? Shoot him over a cup of soup? Wished he burnt the store down. Never wanted it to begin with. I want to be a landscaper.
Where's the charcoal?
Above the veggies.
Barbecue sauce?